Alright, coach. Alright, Coach Lofters. Some days you're up, some days you're down. No, say yesterday was a great day for you and St. Catherine, but today is a sad day. 4-0.
Yeah.
Basically at home. Down at the bottom end at the table now. Talk us through the match.
Well, it was one of them days, as you say. Yesterday I was down, yesterday I was up, today I'm down. But started out well. We weren't too organized in the defense, and it cost us.
As you speak about not organizing the defense, your right-hand side looked to be very, very weak at the moment. You see that Mobe had a lot of joy on their left-hand side. Talk to us about that.
I will not say the right-hand side is weak. I will say the entire defense. We are defensively we are weak. We have been conceded too many goals because we are not organizing the defense as we started saying before. We're a little bit flat. We're not shifting properly. The space between the defensive four is too wide, and we are trying to defend all four verticals. I was need to defend three at a time. Go back to the basic. Back to basic. Who's supposed to press? Who press in what zone? Who drop back? Who pressure cover balance? The basic. That's what's beating us right now.
Moving on from the defense, I want to talk to you about the attack a little bit. Players like Biggs and Ellis, they had some not full chance but some half chances to create more dangerous opportunities. But today them seem to lack in the technique. Talk us about their performance.
Technique, if you realize the pitch is breaking up, so it's gonna affect your technique. But from that, I don't think they are playing with much confidence. I say Biggs get one on the goal and he's passing. They're not knowing when. So we're not making the right choices, I should say. When to pass, when to dribble, when to shoot. And it's some simple things. It's costing us. We are not transitioning properly, fast enough first and foremost. We're not taking our chance. We are not making the right runs. A lot of things to fix. And we'll fix it quickly because we have Cavaliers on Wednesday.
Talk us about Carlisle Holmes. Was an outstanding first half from him, although he conceded 2, but in the second half, didn't really show his quality. It's a pity though because, at the start of the match he made 2-point blank save and you couldn't ask for anything more from him. Talk us to him about that.
Every keeper needs protection. Every keeper, no matter how great you are, you need to be protected. And they left him all by himself today. He had some great saves, but end of the day, he needs protection. No matter how good you are, you need protection.
Final question, Coach. This new tactic that we're seeing from Racing seems to be more of long ball FC, might I add. But we know that from in the championship level, we know that Racing is normally a team that can knock the ball around on the ground. Slightly tiki-taka if I want to say, but talk us through the new tactics.
Nothing's not changed, man. No new tactics. To play tiki-taka football, you need to be confident. You need confidence, and when you're losing, you start trusting what you're used to. So it's just for us to remind them that the type of football that we play, and we have to just believe in what we do, believe in our system of play, believe in our functionality, believe in what has given us success and what has brought us here. We have to just rivet it in the brain again and say, let's do what we know best and continue surviving and striving.
Anything you want to say to the fans? They came out in the numbers, even in the hot sun today, and the team, didn't give them what they want. Anything you want to say?
It's a long season. We have 2 more rounds of football to play. It's a long season. Continue believing, and we'll get it right.
All right, Coach. Best of wishes.
And thank you.